Hello, my name is Tanner Machado. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Animal, Rangeland, and Wildlife Sciences. My area is meat science. Today we're going to talk about fajitas. Now when we go to the store, there are different options for fajitas. We have beef inside skirts that are skinless. We have tenderized inside skirts. Both the inside skirts come from an abdominal muscle, which makes it a little bit more tough. And so when we cook fajitas, we actually need to do some things to make it more tender and more pleasurable. So when we're looking at these cuts of meats for fajitas, tenderness is a challenge because they are tough. There are multiple options that you can do to improve the tenderness and the eating experience. We have marinades that are provided, and a lot of the marinades have an acid involved with them, whether it's vinegar or we can talk about limes. Citric acid, any kind of an acid, will impact the collagen of the meat, making it a little bit more tender. Now, we also have the option of using a meat tenderizer, and a meat tenderizer influences the muscle proteins. So two different mechanisms of trying to improve the tenderness of the fajitas. And when it comes right down to actually cooking, whatever flavor you want, you can do. We do recommend that after you get done cooking, that you cover the meat and loosely cover it and let the meat rest for at least 5 minutes before you then actually go to slicing. So when we go to slicing the meat, we can impact the tenderness of the eating experience by how we cut the meat. And we always want to cut across the grain. And so the grain looks long and stringy, and you want to cut across it. And so when you're first starting, I'm going to cut where you can have it where it's across the grain, and the thinner you slice, the more tender the product. And if you cut with the grain, you can tell it's a little bit more stringy versus actually not seeing the grains of the meat. So now go out and enjoy the grilling season.